Welcome to my video on the morning sky during September 2025. This is in the Northern Hemisphere. I'm going to go through it every other day. This is Jupiter, as you see through a small telescope at about 100 power. And you can see the planets there. You've got Venus and Jupiter. And this goes through, and this is the Great Orion Nebula. And this is a little more of a close-up of the nebula. And this you can see through a small telescope, about 30 power, maybe 40 power. And then we're just stepping through each day. And there's a small little meteor shower that's down the bottom there, but that's during the day. You can't see that. This is September 15th. And here's the moon. We're going to see the moon basically in the last quarter on September 15th. And then we're going to see a conjunction on the 19th. And that's down at the bottom. And here's a little animation of that conjunction. As the Earth rotates, it just gets higher into the sky, and then the sun's getting ready to come up here in a minute. This is from about 5 a.m. up until about 6:25. That'd be Central Standard Time, but it goes around the world, so it's going to be the morning sky everywhere in the Northern Hemisphere. You'll get a little different version depending on your latitude. This is set for the middle of the United States, basically, that latitude. But you're going to see a similar feature all over the Northern Hemisphere. And as the sun comes up, it's going to fade away. The moon is in a waning crescent phase, so it's going to be pretty small. And this is a close-up of what the conjunction would look like of the Regulus, Venus, and the moon. And then we finish out the month just as Jupiter basically rises up into the morning sky. As Venus slowly disappears into the sun. Well, I want to thank you for watching. Hope you learned a little bit about what the sky is going to look like in September of 2025 in the morning sky. Thank you.